Okay, staycation po muna tayo for today dito sa Crimson Hotel sa Alabang, Muntinlupa. Ayan. Ito yung kailang 8th floor lobby. Mami, come on, let's go. Punta tayo sa room. Let's go, kids! And then mamaya, swimming tayo. Swimming. So, punta muna tayo sa ating room. Enjoy na naman ng mga bulinggits. Okay, 22 floor. Right turn. Okay. 22, 25. Okay, Tantan. So, ito yung view natin dito sa 22nd floor sa Crimson. Ayan, overlooking ang mga establishment and Manila. Mamaya maganda dito sa gabi. Kita-kita mo yung mga ilaw dyan. Yan sa part na yan, city lights. Ayan. Yung isang view natin. Ayan. Ayan ang view ng Laguna de Bay. Ayan. Kita mo na yung SLEX and Expressway. Ayan. Swimming! Swimming time! Woohoo! Swimming time! Swimming time, kids! Let's go! Go! Swimming time! Yes! Okay, swimming time. Ay, naku, pupogi oh. Okay, let's go sa pool area. Okay, dito na ang pool area. So, syempre as expected, maraming tao ngayon dahil long weekend holiday. So, yan. Ito ang pool area. Adult and kids. 22, 25. So, register muna tayo.
Okay, let's go swimming. Tan, stand up.
Laging na pala. Lumutang ka. Hindi pa suli mag-clean.
It's cold. Daddy, cold.
Tan.
Hi, Tantan.
Igalang siya ito. Lola kay galang. Yes! Galing mo. Ano kay galang?
Float ka lang, Tan.
Ito ay mami.
Wow!
Floating!
Galing ah.
No hands yan. No hands.
Relaxing, Tantan. Spread your arms. Spread your arms. Good.
Ito may mga po ano sila food cart. Ice cream, popcorn, fries with cheese. And pasta, pizza, croissant and coffee. Ayan. Yung price nila with cheese. Ayan. Dito sa Crimson. Thank you. Okay. Pa. Okay, oh, merienda muna. Snack time muna. Sarap. French fries with cheese. Snack time. Full pack na yun, no? Full pack. Tao. Yan, no? Ito ang kids area ng Crimson swimming pool. Oh, galing mag-swimming, oh. Nice. Careful lang, ah. Adult and kiddie pool. Yes! Kuya Tonton and Shan. Sleeping time. Yun, nandito na yung delivery. Kainan na. Popeyes for dinner. Sarap? Ha? Sarap? Tenton? Where are you going?